Hi guys, my name is Zenon and let's get started with Elite Insta bot installation. So at first we have to install Android MEmu Emulator 6.2.1. You have official website here, official download link here, but for speed reasons I just put it into my local Elite Insta bot website and I will download it from here. It is being downloaded. Okay, the file is ready now. I will just open it in folder. Yes, that's it. So let's install it. Obviously you have to accept this. You can customize your directory where it should be installed, and I will select language English, and you also should install it in the language English, so it will be easier for you to manage any problems in the future. Hit install. Welcome page, thank you for... MEmu emulator is installed. Do not launch it, just close it. And on your desktop you should see MEmu and MEmu. Open MEmu. And now we have a default instance of Android. Just delete it. Please delete it. Create a brand new one and use Android 5.1. It is being created. Now you want to configure that instance, so hit that trigger button here. Performance. Select custom. Set one CPU. This is very important, otherwise it may not work if you will have more than one CPU configured here. RAM memory can stay as it is. Resolution custom. Set it to 360. 640 and DPI set to 160. Now this configuration is very important. You can find these numbers also here. If you go to tutorials, this is the tutorial I'm currently recording, and you have this information here: CPU, RAM, resolution and DPI. Now let's go back to the configuration. Hit save button. You have to see settings are applied. Hit OK. Open it again. And let's go to Advanced tab. We can see that the settings are set. Go to Advanced tab. Here you can set a device model. Select Custom and let's say I will say Samsung. And I will pick up some model from here. Let's say that I will go for Samsung S7. And I will take that model from here and I will put it here. Now you can generate your phone number, email. Why I changed my device model? The reason for that is to have the most common, or basically just common phone version and model and type. You can use any of these, or you can go to Samsung website. I provided it here. In Wikipedia, on the bottom you have all the numbers or the models, and just pick one, the one you think is very popular. So for example, I picked up Galaxy S7 International, right? But I provided here some info as well. So now we have configured our device model. In the network, hit generate. Now go to others. Here you want to change only Windows position, so it will open always in the same place. Shortcuts, nothing. And now important, do not click save when you are on the shortcuts, because there is a bug and the settings won't be saved. So go to general, hit save. Settings are applied. Now it's everything fine. To be sure that settings are correct, go to the settings again and double check them. We can see settings are fine. We can see here settings are also fine. Here fine. Here fine. Everything is fine. You can just close. Let's run that instance. Hit start button. You can see it is being open. We can close the MEmu instance and it is being loaded. If it will stop at 99%, then it means that in performance configuration you must set CPU to 1. If that will not help, then please contact me or add a comment in that video. Now we have fresh Android instance. It's kind of like a brand new phone, so you have to set it up. I will do that. I will set up English. And now this can take a while. I will speed it up on my video. Now you have to sign in with Google account. If you have one, great. If you don't have, just create one. Go to the easiest way to do that is to go to gmail.com. Yes, create an account, and you can create an account here. When you will create it, just use it here and log in. During this process or later during Play Store setup, you may get a pop-up asking you to provide a payment method. Just skip it or select no thanks and continue. You don't need to provide payment method because Instagram app is free to download from Play Store. Our Android instance is almost ready. This is like the tutorial from MEmu. You just want to close it. And what you want to do now is to configure the Android. Go to settings. In the settings, let's set first sound and notifications. You want to mute it because if the Elite Insta bot will go through your feed in Instagram app and there will be a video, you may hear voice from that video, so that's why you want to mute this instance of MEmu. Now also you can see the time is missing one letter and it's wrong. I will configure it right now. Date and time. I think that I have to change only a zone. So zone should be Greenwich. That's fine. That's fine. Now let's close all of them. Let's just close all that information I have here. And now let's go to Play Store to install Instagram application. Now my Google Play loaded correctly for the first time. However, for you it may not happen. So what you will have to do, you will have to close it and reopen again, then close it and reopen again. Yeah, as you can see right now, that's happened. And now I have to retry, go to settings, go back, retry. And the reason for that is because you sign up with the new phone into your Gmail account and it must be synchronized. So just continue to hit retry until it will kick in. And now as you can see, finally it kicked in. I will close it again and I will open it again, and yes, seems that everything works fine now. I'll try that again just to be sure. So yes, you will have to basically wait. Maybe you will have to close the MEmu and start it again, and until you will get into the Play Store. Now find here Instagram and just install it. Accept. Okay, now you can see Instagram is installed. So let's close the Play Store. Now you can open Instagram and let's just log in. And there we are, our account is logged in. Now let's set up a language of Instagram application. It must be set up to English. Go here, then go to settings, go here to settings, then go to account, then go to language, and now search for English and select English language. And now your Instagram account is set up. So let's minimize it, let's kill it, and let's close this instance, because as you can see there is time missing, because during a setup it does a lot of stuff, so we just want to close it. Do not remind it again. Okay, now when you are set up, let's go there, let's just start it again to see that we have Instagram there and everything is working. As you can see here, the time is alright, everything is there, and we have Instagram. Now let's open the Instagram, and yeah, everything is fine. That's it for this video. Please subscribe this channel so you won't miss any updates. Now you can watch the next video, Elite Insta Bot, Download, Run and Quick Overview.